deciding between a condo and a landed property. It's a huge choice for any Filipino homeowner. So let's break it down in 60 seconds to see which one is easier to manage. First up, condominiums. The biggest plus, convenience. The property management office handles almost everything from security and garbage collection to cleaning the common areas. You only worry about your unit's interior. This makes it perfect for busy professionals or OFWs. The downside, you'll have monthly association dues, limited freedom to renovate, and you must follow building rules. Now for landed properties like a house and lot. The major advantage here is freedom. You own the land and the structure, so you can renovate or extend as you please. No association dues either. However, you are responsible for everything: security, all repairs, and maintenance. It requires more hands-on effort and can have higher upkeep costs. So, what's the verdict? If you prioritize convenience and low personal maintenance, a condominium is easier to manage. But if you want full control and long-term flexibility, a landed property is your best bet. Just be ready for the extra work. What would you choose? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.